If Lightroom is showing the Generative Remove Failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it in Lightroom Desktop, step by step, so you can get back to editing without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most important check, your internet connection. Generative Remove relies on Adobe's cloud services, so a weak or unstable connection can trigger this error right away. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to your mobile hotspot. If you're already using a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. Also, turn off any VPN or proxy connection you may be using, because Adobe services can sometimes block or fail when a VPN is active. Next, try using a smaller selection. If you're selecting a large area, Lightroom may struggle to process it, especially if the object is complex. Instead, use a smaller brush stroke and remove the object in sections. Smaller selections are often much more reliable and can help the tool complete the task successfully. If the error still appears, look at the Cloud Sync icon in the top right corner of Lightroom. Click it and choose Pause, then wait a moment and resume sync. This can refresh the connection between Lightroom and Adobe's cloud services and clear temporary syncing issues that may be causing the failure. Another effective fix is to sign out and sign back in. Open Adobe Creative Cloud, sign out of your account, then restart Lightroom or even restart your computer if needed. After that, sign back in with the same Adobe account. This refreshes your session and can fix account-related glitches that cause Generative Remove to fail. Finally, make sure Lightroom is fully updated. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and install the latest 2026 version of Lightroom. Adobe often releases bug fixes and performance improvements that can solve this exact issue. An outdated version may simply not be communicating properly with the generative tools. So to quickly recap, if Generative Remove failed, check your internet, disable VPN or proxy, try a smaller selection, pause and resume sync, sign out and sign back in, and update Lightroom to the latest version. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem. If this guide saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.